Hello boys and girls, I hope you're all well. I hope you've had a lovely day and weekend and you are ready for a new week of guided reading. This week we'll be looking at a new book, but first let's remind ourselves of our reading strategies. You can use any of these strategies to help you with your reading, but the ones I want you to focus on are your eagle eye and your stretchy snake. Your eagle eye is when you look at pictures in the book to help you with the word, and your stretchy snake is when you look at the letters in the word and you stretch the sounds out. Let's have a go at a stretchy snake of our own. Skyway. S-K-I-W-A. You have a go for me? Good job, well done. Let's have a go one more time all together. Skyway. S-K-I-W-A. Good job, well done. The book that we're going to be looking at this week is called Skyway Shock. Boys and girls, here is what our book looks like on Oxford Owl. Let's have a read. Skyway Shock. Watch out! Tiger, Minnie and Rex were at the husky rides. The husky dogs were jumping up and down. The huskies are excited. They need to go for a run. Let's hook them to their sledge and go for a ride, urged Tiger. We've got a job to do first, said Minnie. We must tell the others about the ice bite. Minnie spoke to Max using her gizmo. Where are you? She asked. Max flashed. It was Minnie. Max quickly replied, We're on the Skyway. Have you seen the bite? Yes, Minnie replied. It's a large ice bite. Get ready to dodge it. It can turn everything into ice and it's in a rage. Skyway plunge. Max, Cat and Ant were riding on the Skyway. I can see the ice bite near the cables, said Cat. What is it doing? The ice bite was using its sharp icicles to cut the Skyway cable. Snap! The cable broke. Max, Cat and Ant's chair spun round and plunged down the slope. Hold on tight, shouted Max. The chair was about to crash into some fir trees. Quick, lean to the right to change direction, Max yelled. Max, Cat and Ant leaned and the chair turned. They just managed to dodge the trees. The chair sped on downwards the cliff. Now lean left, shouted Max. Everyone leaned again, but the chair skidded on some hazardous ice. We're going over the edge, cried Ant. They shut their eyes and waited to feel the chair plunge to the bottom of the cliff. Instead, the chair juddered to a stop. It was hanging over the cliff edge. Don't move, said Max. Just then, Tiger, Minnie and Rex arrived on their sledge. Don't worry, we'll rescue you, said Minnie. Minnie hooked the huskies to the chair, and the dogs heaved them to safety. Thank you, Minnie, said Cat. Don't thank me. Thank the huskies, said Minnie, stroking them. Now that I've finished, go all the way back to the beginning for me and have a go at reading it yourself. If you are struggling, you can listen to me read it again, or on Oxford Hour you have the audio play button, where they will read it to you. This week on Guided Reading, we are going to be doing another word search. To access the word search, all you need to do is click the link that I'll put in your portfolio. When you click the link, it will bring you to this page, and to join the word search, you need to enter your name and press start. Once that has loaded, you'll need to press the start button again and find all the words down the side in your word search. Don't forget to send me a picture of your lovely work. Enjoy and have fun!